We can also find the equivalent of numbers in other bases in base 2. So, for example, if you're given a number in base 4 and you're asked to find the equivalent in base 2, like what we see in this example, here is what you do. First, you convert that number from the base it is to base 10, and then you convert the equivalent in base 10 to base 2. So let's try that out. Solution. So we have to find the equivalent of 231 base 4 in base 2. First, we convert this to base 10. And to do that, remember this will be power of 0, 1, and then 2. Therefore, we would have 2 multiplied by 4 with the power of 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4 with the power of 1 plus 1 multiplied by 4 with the power of 0. And this would give us 2 times 4 squared is 16 plus 3 times 4 plus 1 times 1. Now this will then give us 2 multiplied by 16 is 32 plus 3 multiplied by 4, and we have 12 plus 1. Now let's sum it up. 32 plus 12 will give us 44 plus 1, and then we have 45 base 10. The next thing is then converting 45 base 10 to base 2. So we draw a table, and then we have 45 on the right column, and then since we are converting to base 2, we would have 2 on the left of the column. Now we divide repeatedly until we get to 0, noting our remainders. So 2 in 45 will give us 22, remainder 1. 2 in 22, and that is 11, remainder 0. 2 in 11, we get 5, remainder 1. 2 in 5, that's 2, remainder 1. 2 in 2, 1, remainder 0. And 2 in 1 is 0, remainder 1. Now that we've arrived at 0, we will write our remainder in the reverse direction, that is from bottom to the top. So we then say this implies that 231 base 4 is equivalent to, starting from the bottom, we have 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 base 2. And that's the solution to this problem. Thank you.